Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Craftsman V20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile tool designed for both wet and dry debris cleanup. This powerful vacuum boasts a robust motor that delivers 35 CFM of suction power, making it perfect for tackling a variety of messes. With a portable 2-gallon tank, it's ideal for on-the-go cleaning, and the HEPA-rated filter ensures that 99.7% of filth and irritants are trapped, promoting a healthier environment. The extended 7-foot 8-inch hose provides incredible reach and flexibility, allowing you to clean even the most hard-to-reach areas with ease. Plus, the onboard hose and accessory storage make it convenient to keep everything organized and prevent losing attachments. Remember, the battery and charger are sold separately, so make sure to have those on hand for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.